Hi, Annabelle Williams from Fine & Country Leamington Spa here with your January 2021 market update. Firstly, I'd like to wish you all a happy new year. So as we embark on 2021, we are finding ourselves in an ever so familiar situation with England being in lockdown due to the new COVID variant. This may propose the question to you as to what will happen with the property market going forward. So you may or may not know that as estate agents we are continuing to work and the housing market remains open following all COVID regulations. This is great news for our current customers who are hoping that their properties will complete by the end of March following the stamp duty relief. The Housing Minister has released a report stating that there will most likely not be an extension to the date of the stamp duty relief. However, with current government U-turns, we don't really know, but I do believe personally that there will not be an extension to the date. There are also some other changes, including capital gains tax from April 1st, changes to the Help to Buy scheme and a 2% stamp duty levy for overseas buyers. So this will no doubt impact transactions and house prices. So 2021 ended with a strong year, with Zoopla actually reporting 40% demand increase compared to last year, and in the local area we are also seeing a house price increase of 1.9% in the last 12 months. So we are still continuing to have many buyers register their interest with us, particularly with the stay-at-home message. People's ideas of what they would like in their home are still changing. It's another thought in the back of their mind that they might need another office or a bigger garden. So I do believe that there's a promising outlook for properties in the next coming months. Overall, there have been positive and conservative forecasts for the next few months, especially with the vaccine being rolled out. We are hoping that this will increase consumer confidence with people who are looking to be involved in the housing market in the next coming months. So if you'd like to have a chat about the property market, or if you're thinking of a move in 2021, then please do get in touch. Us agents are out nearly every single day, so if you do need anything else, then I'm around and I'd love to help you. But thank you very much for watching, stay safe and all the best for 2021, and I'll see you next month.